Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. At least I think you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you, and this update is for Mizuni or Mizuni Wave pour Homme edited toilet 100 ml. This perfume or this fragrance retails for £75, but you can find it discounted a few places online if you go online and do your research. In the UK you can find it around £30, which is quite good value for money, especially for the quality, for the smell. It is very good. This one is, I would say, 25 and up to be on the safe side. It's got a little bit of mature vibe to it because of the it's got a little bit of classic to it. It reminds me of some of the 80s and 90s fragrances, although it's not a copy or a clone of anything from that era, but it reminds me of some of those aquatic fragrances from the late 90s, late 80s and early 90s. So that's why I think it's a little bit on the mature side, although it's very fresh, it's very happy, it's very uplifting, it's very it is very inviting. So almost everybody can rock it, but the recommendation if you want one is 25 and up. Season, definitely this is a warmer weather, is very good for this time of year. We are in the middle of summer and I wore it for a couple of times and it was pretty, very beautiful. And basically it is for this time of year, it is for a hot day, it is for a warm day. It's perfect. I think this is highly recommended, yes, definitely, because the ratio between quality and what you get and what you pay is very good here. So this one opens up very fresh, very uplifting, citrus bomb. The citruses are in the beginning are huge, and also there are some herbal aspects, little bit of clary sage, little bit of lavender, and obviously the aquatic note here. The aquaticness gives it a little bit of seaside, swimming pool, or somewhere like a riverside feel to it. So it gives it that watery feel. It's very apparent. It gives it a little bit of fruitiness, and the fruits are not mentioned in the breakdown of the notes, but I can feel something like a melon, cucumber, something like little bit of watermelon as well. So it is quite fruity in the beginning, but it won't last that long, probably about 30 minutes or so. So the opening is superbly beautiful, it's gorgeous, is amazing, but performance is a little on the strange side. In terms of longevity, it's quite good. It goes about 6 to 8 hours, which is very respectable for EDT. But in terms of projection, it is one of those that it comes and goes, okay, at least on me, from my nose. I think because of the amount of ambroxing in here, it gives it that nose fatigue very quickly. So you can smell it from time to time, but it's not one of those huge projector. If you want to get more projection and more sillage, I think you need to go heavy on the trigger. I put about 6 sprays, and with that you get one of those come and go smell. But if you go heavy, say 10 plus, then I think it is going to project well. So 6 to 8 hours longevity. If you put it on t-shirt, it goes a little bit longer. And in terms of projection, I would say for the first hour is quite good, and after that slowly subsides. So that's why you need to go heavy on the trigger. Plus, if you put it on t-shirt is much better, because this one, if you put on t-shirt, you smell it much longer and much better than just the skin. So I recommend you to put it both on the t-shirt and the skin to get the best out of it. So it's quite respectable and it's quite good for EDT in terms of projection, in terms of longevity and sillage. This one it's not difficult to find, but it's not easy to find either. There are very few websites in the UK you can find it for a good price. Obviously, if you want to go full price, then yes, there are a few places. But for £30 and under, you need to be patient and you need to do research to find it. So, as I said, opens up beautiful citrus, big citrus, aquaticness, little powdery feel to it from the beginning, which is quite attractive. And the combination of the florals in the mid are very, very good as well, because you got lavender and vetiver and patchouli. These ones, it gives it a little bit of body, so it's not a simple fragrance. Although it's a fresh fragrance, yes, but it's not a simple fresh. With some fresh fragrances, you get very simple notes, very simple complexity. So this one is quite complex for what you pay. In terms of what it smells like, some people say it smells like Versace pour Homme or Allure Homme, Chanel Allure Homme Sport. To some extent, for my taste, for my nose, on my skin, I didn't get that similarity, although they are in the same category, same genre, similar basically similar fragrances for the similar category, yes, but they are not copy or clones of those fragrances. I would say maybe 50-60% similar to those, but not much, not more than that. But that's my nose, that's my skin. In your skin, on your nose, it might be different. So similar, yes. Same, no. Copy, no. Maybe inspired, yes. Good alternative, yes, because it's a good alternative to those. Because to me, Versace is much saltier than this one, and also Allure Homme, Chanel Homme Sport is much more heavy on the citruses than this one. So this one, although it's got similarities to those two, it's not a copy. Okay, so guys, I highly recommend it. For the price, it's very, very good. You cannot go wrong, especially if you're looking for a fresh fragrance, versatile. You can wear it formal, informal. You can wear it day, night time. You can wear it anytime you want, any season. Although it's good for warmer season, but you can rock it anytime. So it's very, very good for that versatility. Okay, so let's go to today's unboxing and first impression. And this is another blue fragrance. It's the season for it. It's in the middle of summer. And this one is Blue Seduction for Men and Antonio Banderas. Antonio Banderas is an actor. Picture of him here, just in case if you don't know him or you forgot. I'm usually not a big fan of celebrity fragrances, but from time to time you get a fragrance, maybe by chance, or maybe attention to details is there, that they are quite nice. They don't represent that genre. They are maybe exception to the rules. Okay, and this one I heard many good things about it, so that's why I got it, and it's quite cheap, 100 ml under £20, and it's EDT. Yes, EDT. So let's go unbox it. Sorry about the noise. So simple box, nothing to brag about, very, very simple, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. And simple bottle as well. Well, you don't expect for that price, you don't expect the highest quality of bottle oil. Okay, and the cap is plastic, and let's go with the atomizer. Very, very good atomizer. Surprisingly good atomizer. Okay, so Antonio Banderas Blue Seduction for Men EDT 100 ml. And first sniff and first impression, here we go. Another banger. Quite similar to the first one, although it's not as aquatic as the first one, but in terms of fruitiness, in terms of happy opening, very fresh, refreshing, very similar. Yeah, it's got fruitiness to it, which is like, again, like a melon, lemon, summer fruits, basically watermelon, cucumber, and all these things. Very nice, very nice. So the opening is superbly beautiful, and it's got a woody backbone, musky, little bit of citrus in the beginning. Actually, it's quite citrusy right now, but to me, it's got a little bit of makeup feel for some reason. I don't know why I get that. Is that iris in there? I don't think so, but it's got a little bit of makeup-y feel to it, which is quite surprising for this price. Anyway, so for the first impression, again, nice opening, very refreshing, fresh, very fruity, very happy, very uplifting, very summery, and very careless. Okay, so I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, the development, and things like this. But for a first sniff, for a first impression, yes, it is very nice. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for future videos, share this video with others. This way you help me to expand my channel, and I'll be very grateful. And if you know any of this, and if you recommend anything similar to these with a good price, put it in the comments. This way it'll be useful for others to read. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.